Oh, what are we talking about today? We're talking about Chanel today. Hey! You don't want to miss this. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Simply Fabulous. I'm Tatiana and I like to discuss about luxury goods, items, and a little bit of lifestyle, and then I try to sprinkle in a few tips or advice that I have to pass on to you. So today I'm talking about Chanel, or rather, I'm doing my unboxing of Chanel items that I got while I was in Las Vegas. So if you haven't seen, I have posted my Las Vegas ultimate getaway where I went to go see Usher perform, who was amazing, by the way. You know, I did a little bit of 5-star dining, you know, get some good food and shopping. I did a lot of shopping, a little too much shopping. But anyways, besides the point, since I did do so much shopping, I went to Chanel. And when I tell you I got some goodies from Chanel to show today, that's what I'm showing. So let's go ahead and get into this unboxing of the items that I got from Chanel. All right, so we're gonna start with some jewelry items. I have been on the hunt for just some cute earrings from Chanel. I actually have been looking in my local area, but if you are a fan of Chanel or shop at Chanel, you know the earrings go so fast, especially the cute ones. They always go so fast. And I'm not the kind of person who just is usually there when they drop a new release, even though they drop a new release so often, which is great, by the way. But I always am there when everything's gone. Everything has been picked through. Well, I didn't have that problem when I went to Vegas. Because when I tell you guys, Vegas has some good stuff. Yeah, they have some good stuff. So we're about to unbox them today. So we're gonna start with this. Oh, their wrapping is just so cute. Look at this. I'm going to unbox my jewelry first because I bought about a few pieces of jewelry. So let's go ahead and take her out the packaging. Cute bow and then like the cute flower on it. All right. So as I said, I got jewelry from Chanel, in particular earrings, small earrings like studs and stuff like that. That's what I really was focusing on because that's been like the hardest thing for me to find at my local Chanel stores, and I lucked up in Las Vegas. So let's start with these. These are studs. They are in gold. It's these beautiful gold earrings with the CC logo or Chanel logo on them in circle. But yes, I got these in just some simple gold fashion stud earrings. So here are the earrings. And again, they're in gold and it's the Chanel logo with the 2 CCs. Yes, I will be rocking these earrings. They're everyday earrings, so it's easy to accessorize something like this than, you know, fancy cocktail earrings. All right, so the next pair of jewelry I got was earrings. And I don't know if I already said this, but I mainly just got earrings because I have been looking for earrings for such a long time. To go there and see all the different assortment of earrings, I might have done a little too much on the earrings, but I really am happy with every purchase that I got from Chanel while I was in Vegas. Okay, this one does not want to come off. Yeah, let me just go ahead and slide it off. Here are the earrings. And I believe this is more like a champagne gold, but yes, these are the earrings. It's still in the plastic, so hopefully you can, you know, pick up what the design looks like, even though it's in plastic. It's like a champagne gold, and then the Chanel logo, the 2cc's, have crystals on them. So, and I actually was looking for a pair without like the square detail that was just like the CC logo with crystals by itself. I had a pair a long time ago. Don't know where they are at, you know, but I've been looking for a new pair. So that's kind of why I think I picked up so many stud earrings. Okay, let's get the other bag. And I did go to, I think I went to like 2 Chanel stores, or did I go to 3? I know I went to multiple Chanel stores to find the earrings. I like to go to different Chanels because it allows you the opportunity to look at other pieces that some stores carry and some stores don't. So that's kind of the reason why I went to multiple Chanel stores. I seem to have better luck when I go to different locations or different Chanel stores, just because they have different stock and inventory at each one. And then sometimes they don't let you always transfer from one store to another. Like say you found something and you're like, ooh, I really like that, and they don't have it at that store. I see it more in particular for bags where some stores won't transfer, because I did find a beautiful clutch, like a wallet on chain from Chanel that I really loved and wanted, and they didn't have it in stock at the store where I was at in Las Vegas, but they did have it in a store in Beverly Hills. But the Beverly Hills decided to decline on sending over the, you know, bag, I guess at their discretion, because I guess they knew it was a popular bag and it would get sold, but I really didn't want it. And I guess, you know, maybe it was just a sign that it wasn't meant for me. And the great thing about Chanel is that they always come out with a new, you know, collection every season. Now, with a new collection sometimes means a new price increase, and you know how we all feel about those price increases. So that's all I have to say. All right, let's open this one up. Take off the beautiful flower. It's a pair of earrings again. And this is, ooh, okay, this is from their 23A collection. Let me show it to you guys. As you can see, they like dangle a little bit, and it's just the CC logo and then the star at the top, and like the little CCs kind of, you know, hang from the star. So I thought these were really cute and something that I could wear like on an everyday basis. It wouldn't have to be just for a special occasion or something. So that's why I really went for these. I like being able to find jewelry that I can wear every day. And let's go back into the goodie bag and pull out another pair of earrings. Let's take off the flower, if it wants to come off, and it does not. Okay. Got the ribbon off. See? I love the detail of the pearls and the crystals on here. The pearls kind of reminds me of like a classic Chanel. The crystals just to give a little bit of sparkle, you know, not a lot, but just enough. And the finish is in gold. They're gold, crystal, and pearl stud earrings from the 23B collection. Okay, sometimes you just have to pause and just take in the beauty. I'm definitely gonna wear all of these earrings, so yes. All right, so last but not least, I did pick up some shoes from Chanel, and let's just say these were hard to find because I definitely went to my local Chanel boutiques, and although it had just been released, they didn't have it in my size. I think my size just went fast. I feel like that always happens for me when it comes to shoes. That happens often for women when you have a shoe size that's very popular, that will go fast. Let's take off the bow. Let me just... These are the Chanel boots in black with the quilted leather, a little bit of patent on the toe, and then also like on the back. So these boots, when I saw them, I was like, yes, I have to have them. Okay, so I have been wanting these boots when I saw that it had got released a little earlier this year. And I remember, yeah, again, going to my local Chanel stores to see if they had it. And yes, they had the boots, but again, not in my size. So when I went to Vegas, that was kind of like one of the first things I asked, was like, do you have these boots? And luckily enough, I think I got like the last pair in my size. They had them, and I was just so elated, especially because I wanted some boots from Chanel back in like 2019 or 2018 that I really did miss out on. So to get this, I was just over the moon excited. And it's so funny because I live in a climate where it doesn't even really get cold that often. You know, you might have a good 3-4 weeks where it's cold and you can just, you know, pop out your boots or something. But I think I'll be wearing these in the fall anyway, so it won't be just for winter. It'll be when it just gets a little bit cooler here. That's what I'm planning on doing. And yeah, so that is what I got from Chanel while I was in Vegas. You know, again, I feel like I just lucked up on some good pieces. The one thing that just really sad that I didn't get to get was that wallet on chain. But, you know, maybe that just wasn't the right one for me. Maybe there's another wallet on chain that is for me. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed today's video, let me know by hitting the thumbs up button so I know you liked it. And if you like the content on my channel in general, like today's unboxing, then consider subscribing to my channel. And if you hit the notification bell, it will let you know the next time I upload a video, and I upload every week. So I have more videos to come. Again, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. I heard that your boyfriend's looking for me. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Oh. Okay, let's get started. I've been on this Usher kick since I've been back from Las Vegas. Whew. That man is talented. All right.